Hello, my name is Nelly Joana Montes Diaz, and the case is the Diamond Supermarket, and today's date is March 16, 2023. All characters of the case are Joaquin Perez, businessman, Maria Duque, she is secretary, cashier, assistant, accountant, and confidant. Pedro Perez empirically managed the supply chain and interact with the customers and suppliers. Ana Perez, she is cashier. Ofelia, she oversees the cleaning and security of the facilities. Jasmine, she oversees the cleaning and security of the facilities too. Osvaldo, Felipe, Rodrigo, and Juan Sebastian, they are constantly stocking the shelves and unloading food from the warehouse. Main problems of the case are: problem 1, the company does not have a job manual and formal contract. Problem 2, a poorly managed supply chain generating cost and loss of product. Problem 3, there is no purchasing procedure indicating the requirements to be met by suppliers. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.